welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. So if you're new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And today's topic is about pre-loved market. I will share you my experience of buying my designer bags from a pre-loved market. So I live in Indonesia. In Indonesia, they have some of official websites for selling the designer bags that's already second-hand or it's still in a brand new condition. Also they have, but from my experience, the price quite different if I bought second-hand from Instagram. So mostly my bags, I bought them from an Instagram seller. Of course, I must find out the seller is a trusted seller or not, right? And mostly the seller I bought it has a guarantee 100% money back if it's proven as a fake bag. So they will return my money if it's proven as a fake bag, and the seller cannot return my money back if the reason is not a fake bag. Do you got what I mean? From my experience, 2 years ago I bought the LV Neo Noe. I think in the beginning of the LV Neo Noe release, they have two type of strap, the stitching and also the non-stitching. So I got at that time is without the stitching type, which is I don't like it. I like it with the stitching strap. So I said to the seller, can I return because I don't want this bag, and the seller cannot return my money back because she already paid the money to the owner. At that time, if I want to return the bag, so it cannot. So I need to sell again the bag, of course with below the price I bought when I bought it, and I lost maybe 1 million rupiah at that time. So, but it's okay because I don't like the strap without the stitching at that time. So at that time I returned the bag, and then it was sold again. Then the money come back to me again, but I lost the money for 1 million rupiahs. So it's around I think $60 USD. So it's quite different if you bought it from an official store, like an official website. Maybe you can return the bag, but I'm not sure in Indonesia it can happen like that. But I heard you guys in the US, so some of the friends from US, if you doesn't like a fashion file like that, if you don't like the bag and feels like, oh no, I want to return back, then you can get your money back, right? Or you still have an amount in that official store, in that website. But in Indonesia it's not like that, so it's different. So it's like a take it or leave it, just like that. So the system in Indonesia, if I bought from the Instagram seller, I will send a message to the seller, and then the seller will give you the details of the bag from this side, from the front side, from the back side, from the inside picture of the bag. And if you like it, and if I want to see directly the bag, I can say to them that I want to be a cash on delivery. So cash on delivery, it means like they have their network for a messenger. The messenger will come in front to your house, and you will see the bag. And if you agree to buy the bag, then you just transfer the money to the seller. But if you don't want to buy the bag, it's okay. You just pay for the messenger fee. It's around 200,000 rupiahs, and you can pay the messenger with that money. So that it's quite fair. I think the system is quite fair, which is it happened to some of my pre-loved bags, such as like my reissue, my mulberry bag, and what else? Oh, her bag, my Hermes hair bag. So it's okay. I can accept that system. Of course, when you buy the bag, it must be in a great condition, right? Or excellent condition. If it's already broken, then don't push yourself to get it, guys. Or you can spend a lot of money to repair the bag. That's one of the tips if you buy from the pre-loved market. And here's another tips for you. If you want to buy from a pre-loved market, if you want to be more safe, maybe you need to find the bag with the copy receipt or with the original receipt. But some of my bags, such as like a Lady Dior and it's not a bag, it's a Hermes CDC bracelet. They don't have a receipt from the store, so the seller is guarantee you it's a 100%, it's not fake. If it's proven fake, then I can complain and I can get my money back. So you must be careful by choosing the trusted seller you want to buy. And it's better if you have a friend who already has experience, maybe she can tell you which Instagram seller you can trust or not. If it's not available in your city, then they will send you the package after you pay the money. In here, in Indonesia, they have like a Tokopedia, so you can do the transaction from Tokopedia. If the seller have opened another account in Tokopedia, then you can deal with it. But mostly they do the bank transfer on time, online, and they will send after they got the money. If it's already paid, then they will send you the package. I think they already include the insurance for the delivery, so you don't need to worry, and it will deliver it to your house safely. That's from my experience. So there's so many ways you can do the transaction of a pre-loved market in here, so you don't need to worry about it. And the advantages of buying from a pre-loved market is, if you want to look for a vintage bag, such as like a GST from Chanel, Grand Shopping tote bag from Chanel, it's already discontinued, right? So you can get the pre-loved bag of a GST from the pre-loved market, and also their Chanel clutch, which is very cute, and it's already discontinued too, right? And you can find it in the pre-loved market. So you can find some of the vintage bags from a pre-loved market, and also with the price. So the advantages of buying pre-loved is you can save more money, right? From my experience, I bought my Lady Dior. My Lady Dior is from a pre-loved market. At that time, I can save 55% if compared with new bag from the boutique, of course. So it's a lot of money, guys. So I can save and it feels so happy. And especially from the Hermes brand, if you're looking for the pre-loved bag in the second handbags of Hermes in the pre-loved market, I think you need to consider about the color. So if you want to buy the new bag from the Hermes, you cannot choose the color as you want, right? You cannot wait. The system in the Hermes is like a take it or leave it. The color options they have, you want it or not. If you don't want it, okay, bye. But in the pre-loved market, I think you can search which color you like, the natural color or more colorful color, and you can decide it at a time and not in a rush. Yes, I want this color, and the price makes sense, so okay, I will contact the seller. Just like that, guys. And I want to recommend you the designer bags that you can find with a very friendly price compared to their new bags from the store, from the boutique. So this is what I analyzed around this couple years from a pre-loved market. Maybe you can buy such as like a Elfie Clooney with the epi leather. This one, the price compared with the new price is significantly different. Even the monogram pre-loved of Clooney bag is higher than the epi leather. In the new condition from the boutique, of course, the epi leather is very higher price compared with the monogram canvas, right? So that's why you can consider to buy the Elfie Clooney in epi leather from a pre-loved market. It's happened to my friends also. She bought it in the pre-loved market and she can save a lot of money from that, and she feels so happy. And also the Elfie Capuchin, Elfie Pochette Métis with the print leather. See here, with the imprint leather compared with the monogram or reverse monogram price, the imprint leather, the resale price is very low, guys. So you can hunt the pochette metis in the imprint leather in the pre-loved market. And also it happens to the Lady Dior. Hermes is depends on the model, the type of the bag, and also depends on the color, of course. And Gucci Dionysus, Gucci Soho, which is I already sold again, those two bags. And the Celine box, Celine belt, and Chanel reissue, Givenchy Antigona, you can buy with a friendly price from the pre-love. And these brands, if you're looking in from the pre-love market, such as like Mulberry, Fendi, Chloe, Prada, Louis, Bottega Veneta, I think you better to hunt the bag from the pre-love market. If you find it, you like it, then you can deal with it, because the price compared with the new price from the boutique is quite different. So I hope this trick and tips from my experience of buying pre-love market can be useful for you and helpful for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video. I will appreciate it, guys. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.